Y'all hear that? That's our car. I hope you can't hear that. We're gonna act like we can't hear that. Because that's what we've been doing the whole time. Is just acting like we can't hear. So, this is the fit for tonight. And I got a coffee. That's a little nasty. Because I don't have enough creamer in it, but that don't matter. It's coffee. I need to stay out. Okay. So, I'm about to go get Lonnie in a minute because he's about to come over here and then we're gonna leave. So, I'll show you me getting him from down. Okay, so I got him. So, we're about to go get some snacks from Dollar Tree and then we're gonna get started on our first order, but snacks first. And we'll see y'all at Dollar Tree. The little broke ass, the little broke Dollar Tree sign. You want high corn cheese? They got some stuff up there, see? Oh, it's only Funyuns though. Oh, that's what you wanted? Ew. What candy you need? Yeah. I want orange. We got the snacks. Big snacks. Oh, I can't get in the car. That's the only thing about a Tesla is this damn doorknob. Ugh.
You want to put the thing in?
Sorry. I'm still sick. Okay, so we gonna see how this work, y'all. How this look. I got my chapstick. I'm happy.
Let's go.
I'm happy. I know I showed you these snacks like 5 times, but my first time trying the mango peach one, so we tried them. Okay, I got my coffee. We got snacks.
Your phone charge? You can't even use it.
If I need to charge my phone, I'll switch. But I think I can check real quick. While we waiting for an order, I just want to say this real quick. I do appreciate the comments on our broke couples TikTok. I mean, it's not TikTok. On our broke couples show on this channel, go check it out. Please watch it, like, comment, and hit subscribe. But I don't know, like, it's just funny to also, the only thing we doing is recording us clean out the car, and so everybody else do. We can actually do a video on like why we're in our current situation that we're in. A lot of it has to do with the economy, and a lot of it has to do with self-error. But you know, you live and you learn and you grow, so that's all that matters. That's all that matters. So, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Takia.
And it's Lonnie.
Why you copying me? Yeah, I'm still sick, so excuse my my little cough. But tonight we're doing DoorDash. What's our money goal? What's our money goal?
Just earlier today I did Uber on my own. I did $115 for 5 hours. So that's about what? A little over $20 an hour. Okay. So we're trying to do another $100 tonight.
9 to 1. Right now it's 8:48 p.m. Wednesday, and we're waiting for our order. Our goal is $100. We're gonna make this like our little DoorDash broke couples vlog for the month of October. We do have a few things in debt and a few bills to pay, and I'm currently unemployed, and I have my bachelor's degree in computer science, and no one is hiring me. So
and then we had the car in the shop for the whole month of August.
Yes.
So we couldn't make any money.
At all.
Biking.
Because his main source of income is Uber, like regular Uber. But you know, we do the little side gigs sometimes, but that just completely pushed us back. But that's okay, because we just try and get back in the grind and the hustle again. And he also has prior commitments as well for his grandma. So it's a bit hard for him to get a job that's like regular hours. And we also need to get the car reserviced again to get the seat buckle thing fixed so that he can even do Lyft and Uber. So
we getting there.
We getting there. And y'all gonna be with us through the journey. So we still waiting for an order. We still waiting for an order.
I was trying to see if we get one over here, but
I'm gonna try to H-Trip.
Trying down past the road. Maybe get the shrimp boat so you can see them people in there.
So go down H-Trip.
Yeah. Go next.
Or just go straight. Basically. Hold on. I wanna try these because I never had this before. It's supposed to be what is it? Mango peach. You wanna try? That's good. It tastes like the peach ones.
Good mango and peach.
Yeah.
Mostly peach.
Yeah. It's like similar flavors. It tastes like the peach one. Normally nothing crazy happen while we doing DoorDash, but we'll see. Hey, y'all not gonna be up here this whole time because I gotta listen to my music. Cardi B came out with her new album. I love Bodega Baddie. Love it down. And I drank my coffee, so I'm ready to, you know. Y'all hear that? That's our car. I hope you can't hear that. We're gonna act like we can't hear that. Because that's what we've been doing the whole time. Is acting like we can't hear. He be acting like I can't drive, so we'll see. We'll see his reactions and we'll run it back. Okay, so first order Chick-fil-A. I don't know how much it is, but he just went in the store. Basically, I drive and he gets out because you know it's late and I'm a lady. Someone already beeped at me because apparently I was going too slow, but I was trying not to hit the big DC city bus, and then she tried to swerve around me, almost hit the bus. People so impatient.
You know me, I be shooting my shot. When I got the little bitch, I wasn't even surprised. In the club, it's a deep in the eyes. Said you coming with me, if you with it, let's ride. Make me a glass. Mama told me don't trust him, but look at me now.
He's back. Real quick, how much was the first order?
It was an hourly rate.
I wish that I can have the camera on all the time, but I can't. But people just out here crazy. I wish I like this car just like a 360 little skirt and just drove past like. So now I'm trying to see if somebody chasing him. But I guess nobody. I don't know what's his problem. Maybe he just turned too fast. I don't know, but he need to hurry up and get in the car. Okay, second order is McDonald's. It is 9:33. I know, but you should have did it when we was recording. She don't know how to act fake. Get out the car, get out. He always sitting here and be doing stuff instead of getting out the car. I think this is the third order.
We mayonnaise and ogres.
Mayonnaise and ogres, third order. It's currently tonight. Okay, this is order number 4. It's currently 10:12. Where you going? To America's Best Wings?
Yeah, man, the best ones.
They got a bathroom?
No.
Okay, no bathroom.
They just be?
Like 2 hours ago.
Oh.
So didn't I just pee? This is our real life. We are actually doing DoorDash at 10 p.m. at night because we have bills to pay. Like, this is our real life. like we're riding around. It's not exciting all the time like DoorDash or whatever, but shit do be happening. I mean, stuff do be happening, but and I'm driving, he yells at me.
They be screaming for my life. I'm like, ah!
He be over dramatic. Y'all don't get married to a man unless he give you a promise ring, an upgrade to that promise ring, and your engagement ring, okay? Let me stop.
No, again, you don't forget nothing.
He want a ring so bad. He want a little bubblegum ring. That's what he finna get, because that's what all I got money for, is a little bubblegum ring. I'm gonna get him a ring. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be nice. When I get a job. When I get a big girl job. And anybody who has graduated already with a tech degree, please leave me some advice in the comments. Leave us some advice in the comments, because we need advice. I don't know if I said this, but I think we're on our 5th order, between our 5th and 6th order. Yeah, for DK.
Uber.
Thank you. Okay. How you gonna know who it is? Okay, so we are getting. Oh, go to sleep. I'm talking to the kid. Oh, he's sleeping. So we're getting. I don't know which order this is, y'all. I'm gonna just add the screenshots as when he sent me the screenshots, but it's like order number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's his time to rest a little bit in between orders, as you see. It's a little dark. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm trying not to be loud, but I'll see y'all when we get to a safe parking destination. Oh my God. Little shitty road. Okay, I know you're tired of me keep listening to the same music problems.
You can tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay if I lived on
I will so we're just trying to see what we can do. My plans to get up at 7 tomorrow and work on my food and then do 8 to 1 and see how I feel at 1 and then maybe take a nap.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to get us to do 12 hours a day.
What, did
We only did 9 hours so far.
you want to drop the car off?
Huh?
Did you want to drop the car off and I'll take you back so you take a nap?
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know what order this is. I think it's 10. We're at Wendy's. He's about to get out and go get it. It is 11:52. We are at about $70 to $75. Our goal was $100. I think we're doing pretty good. We got into 1, and we got to charge the car. So.
One eternity later.
Okay, we have an update. It's currently 12:39. I have to pee. We have to charge the car, and we're doing one more order. And I would say we are about 10 minutes from our house. So.
Where we going is dropping off in Minnesota. So we're going to Taco Bell and then drop off at Minnesota.
Yeah. That's what I was telling. Yeah,
it's the last one. $17. So
I was giving him a little update. Oh, it's $17 order. Yeah, I was giving him a little update. I said I got to pee. Ooh, almost hit that car. Okay, so I think this is our last order. I will put the total on the screen right here. I'll put the total right here, okay? I'm tired. I mean, I'm not like tired, but like I'm tired of driving. And I got the tinkle, like I said before. So I'm about to get dropped back off at my mom's house. I just been staying with her for a little bit while I've been sick, you know, be treated like a baby. But I'm gonna come back over to Lonnie's house or whatever, cause I need to see my man. I miss my man. I hope y'all can hear me. I hope y'all could been hear me through this whole entire time. Like, I don't know about the scream, yell, shout, but I hope you could just hear me like this. It normally works. I mean, when I'm like doing my old videos and stuff, it normally just pick it up. Can you see me? I hope y'all can see me. But y'all, I gotta take it so bad. Okay, so I hope you can hear me. So we are currently home. It is like it's like 1:50. We did how many orders? And our total today is 203. That's on top of what he made today and what we made. So we made about 100. We got tips. So orders, and I think we probably didn't. Yeah, I think we did about 100. So I think we did meet our goals. So thank you for joining us on our journey. I hope you enjoyed the video and us talking, because that's all that we did basically. And did orders because we're tired, but we're about to go to bed do all over again tomorrow. And thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe.